Everybody, so I just finished an amazing and incredible book which gave me the structure more on the habits. So basically, if you want to build a strong habit that will take you to the next level in your life, in your business, in your relationship, go read that book, because he go through those tiny changes and really how can you actually structure it from the beginning to the end and make it stick. And that book name, and I see people coming in. Hello everybody. So this book name is Atomic Habits, and it's really incredible about the habit one, because I read a lot of books about habits and that one nailed it. And I love it, and it's really simple and really short book. So if it's an Audible, I took it on Audible. It's 5 hours, really fast. You finish it like that. So one of the most incredible things that I love about that book is he talked about really how can you pinpoint it to very simple method that you can make a habit actually part of your life. And you know that it won't be the hype for a few days, but make it stick for years, for life. And not just get the hype like, oh yeah, I'm on the roll, I start on that thing, I start my business, and after a few days your motivation go down and you don't have the motivation to keep on going because you don't have the right habit. When you do have the right habits, you go on every day, you hammer it. The habit that you want to own, if it's going on diet, if it's being with an amazing relationship, if it's building your own business, make those habits stick. So if you're going to read it, just comment below heck yeah, or if you're going to even put it on your list, going with a heck yeah. And don't wait up, because that's an amazing one, an incredible one. It will give you on the inside. Don't be like this guy over here, the turtle, and get it slow-mo. Get it right, get it fast, and let's rise up with the right habits. So I would love to hear your thoughts around that, and if you're going to read it, or if you already read it, I would love to hear your thoughts around that book and what was your insights about it. So comment below, and if you like this video, give me a thumbs up that I know that you want more content of it. And if you're watching on YouTube, just hit the subscribe button to never miss out an episode, and have an amazing and productive day. That was live on my group. I will see you tomorrow. Have a great one.